Thailand is currently in the process of trying to revise the Domestic Violence Victim Protection Act, and the committee that's involved in drafting itself is also comprised of many civil society organizations, those service providers, those who are really working on the case. So more or less, I think we will see a revised, better revised version of the law. But I think the things that we will need to ensure is to ensure that the details into it, definition of domestic violence, penalties, like statute of limitations, these things aligns with best practice and international law standards. That's on legislation side. On implementation side, which can be more tricky, there has to be a holistic view into how we address this gap, whether it comes to having specialized training on the understanding of the law, understanding of different types of violence, signs of trauma, signs of violence. The government could think of developing something that try to standardize when domestic violence case happen. What are the steps that officers could follow? And it would have to be gender sensitive to these guidelines. I think it would have to really look into it from a survivor-centered point of view. I want to see a society where women can stand up for themselves and wouldn't be afraid to reach out to seek help when domestic violence happens to them. And I also want to see a society where we know that domestic violence is a kind of crime, is a human rights violation, and the state has an obligation to prevent, to protect survivors of domestic violence.